Yeah, family, so we're there and we have some chair and we're just relaxing out. And, you know, we're waiting for some village life food. And we're just there hang out. And it's a nice feeling. So let's wait for the food until it comes. She's gonna bring the food in a while. You don't get this out in the city?
No man, the city polluted. Fresh oxygen. The real deal.
So the real village life and the real village food.
With a village wife and all.
Yo, Ricardo, you ever eat in the village yet? You ever eat in the village yet?
Never.
So family, this is...
If I eat today, it's going to be the first.
First time?
If I eat.
Okay. Alright, family, this is the first time Ricardo will be eating in the village. You know what I mean? So...
If you eat.
Yeah, once you eat in the village, now you become a local man. You ever eat in the village yet?
First girl, I get an
Yo, it's the word.
I'll there a long time.
I'll eat down the village.
Yo, we catch the boy.
Live on camera. No excuse, no going back. It's very clear.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So the food coming out, and you know what I mean. It's Ricardo's first time eating out in the village.
First time.
First time ever.
Can't tell so away last week we got a country. You understand? So the village here that be like a country of Jamaica.
Yeah.
The country way in the mainland. Not even donkey you see.
Yeah.
You understand? So it's just like here, similar.
Yeah.
You know, like eat some village food. You know, country food always nice at Jamaica, you know.
Yeah.
The
wood fire cook pan, wood fire. Wow, big
yeah,
ugali. Ugali.
Where? Boat? Okay, long. Okay. Yeah, man.
How do you call ugali? Fufu?
Fufu, turn camel in Jamaica.
Yeah, but we make it different too. Yeah, this is like a polenta, turn camel.
Yeah.
You don't make like this.
We don't make like this, we make it more softer, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's like
no fly, no part of the damn. No fly, no fly pitch for food around here. No.
Alright, family, so we just gonna wait for it, wash our hand and enjoy the food. Where's the all-star eating corn already? Yeah, family, so we're washing our hands. Yeah.
So, after we do the hiking journey, share some information, knowledge, learn about our ancestors, and go through the woods, trees, river.
Alone go through.
We'll go through all of these things, and then we get chocolate, so it's a part of the jump tour.
Yeah,
package.
jump tour, yeah. You get the hand wash.
You get the hand wash, you see?
Yeah.
The women in the village treat us like kings. Yeah. Get an African queen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, we have something like this. Man, be quiet, eat the food. Eat the corn.
Let's pass a napkin.
Okay, and we like more self-serving.
Oh, self-serving.
Yeah.
Yeah. And plus, this have to.
Okay, what are we going to start with?
What are you gonna start with?
Yeah. Are you not serving yourself?
Yeah. Serve yourself.
Self-serve. Yeah.
I think of two?
Yeah, man. Ricardo, but I eat half all of the food, you know.
No, man, I'll tell her. I'll eat two corn already.
This for you.
Yeah. We say, yo, we start with some greens.
Yeah.
I love them greens. Yeah.
One corn, man.
I don't know if you like this.
You don't finish them all. That is too big for me.
Had a proper breakfast, so yes, that ugali.
You guys not gonna try help yourself?
Serve yourself.
Mr. Ricardo, you're not supposed to be mixing the spoons.
Oh, shoot.
We have another spoon.
One spoon for that, one spoon for that, and one spoon for that.
Yeah, enough spoon.
But it's okay.
But in a village, we mix every day.
We mix
Even
everything.
food we mix together. Yeah.
Your family, this
Yeah.
is nice one. Italian greens.
You don't have a.
Look, your plate so big.
You don't have a
Oh,
self
it's small, see?
Huh?
I can't do stuff. The corn.
Oh, you have a stick.
Yeah, a selfie stick.
Susani. Susani.
This is one.
My.
No, you don't like to fly on food, you hate to fly on food.
I want you guys to review the food. How the food tastes? What's good?
The corn.
Awesome, yeah. When you say come on, huh? How the food?
The vegetables, you can see.
Yeah, everything
was
is clean
good.
and
It's
gone.
nice and clean.
Nine and done. Al?
Bombo class.
Yo, reggae flavors, what you say?
Still I eat.
This are the chef.
Still I eat.
The chef still I eat.
The village food
Yeah,
is good. Not
Yeah.
any village food. We're in Kiambu County.
Yeah.
In Kenya.
yeah,
Food is flavorful. The goat is flavorful. Sorry. Very. And the corn is boiled corn.
yeah,
They're from away. They boil the corn in the sack.
Yeah,
And then we
the sack.
seal it off after.
yeah,
It's good.
yeah,
The empticha, the greens,
It's
we call it empticha in Tanzania.
yeah,
In Jamaica we call it kalalo.
Yeah.
Here they call it a different name.
yeah.
Alright, the goat is good, so
Yeah,
thumbs up
man.
for the chef.
Yeah,
If you want a good African woman, get a woman from the village, not a woman from Nairobi.
yeah. Yeah, Lloyd, what you say? Always.
You know, it's warm already for me already.
Oh, yeah, this
This is a regular thing for me.
So this is Light Village home here. So, you know, when you come, you want to connect with a family and that will be your home. So this is actually Light home.
First
this is
time
my
we're
home.
eating from
This is my home in Kenya, right?
In Kenya,
here.
right?
Yeah.
Alright. And me have my home too.
Yeah.
You need to find your home.
Next time we to Momo place, right?
Yeah.
Yes, so next time we go to his place to get the roast and stuff like that.
Yeah. Why that was?
Your first time you come to Kenya was 2 months and 2 weeks.
Yeah, man.
No, this is my second trip. No, that I mean. Yeah. Last time I come for 1 month. And this year, right now, we had 2 months and 2 weeks. Oh, so you have a wife in our village?
You don't put the man on the spot. The man on the spot, Rasta. Alright, let's cut. Yeah, family, so they have some water from the well, from nature, from deep down under the springs. Then we're gonna go over and actually look at a greenhouse, and then we hit the road. Yeah, man, but all in all, it was a good day. Yeah. Big up to the man, Lied. The man in the village. The man with the community. Yeah, family. So,
Love in the community.
yeah. Where you say the water good?
If you wanted, we can live here.
Yeah.
Yeah, nothing to worry about. I no one is looking for you at this place.
When the
White. Two more, please.
Alright, man. Thoroughly wiped.
Yes, thoroughly wiped. Okay, thank you very much.
Sante.
We don't know what you brought with you.
How will you tell him? No, he didn't tell you for me and wipe it. Inside and out today.
Better you. I good. I best him do. I don't want to taste your girl pan your lip.
You for go, you know?
Yeah, man, it's air. It's cool.
yeah, man, nice and cool water.
No chlorine. No chlorine is in this.
Yeah.
No fluoride is in this water.
Yeah.
No chemical is in this water.
No chemical.
Straight from the earth.
Yeah, straight from the earth.
It's rainwater.
Oh,
It tastes like rainwater.
Yeah, family. So we done eat and we are drink some water.
thank you.
And we've been mellow. We're gonna look at a greenhouse.
So good.
And then we're gonna
watch
eat.
and give it to you. 350 USD. Yeah. You think they'll give it to you, right? Feels so good. It would be a good tip, but you might sell it for less, so I don't want to do that. You might sell it for less.
Hello. Not much for there.
Alright, family.
Yeah, deal.
Let's go. Like, share, and comment on the video.
I'm from Jamaica.
Let us know your thoughts. We are out.
I'm
Where's your age group, that man?
I'm music.
Never ask you that question. Me ask you if Mama look good. Mama look good from there. And some in the bed.
There's a step for you, you know.
But then again, be careful.
Yeah, motor I'm holding
When
them
this
with
is what's his name place.
Lloyd Owam.
Lloyd, it's Lloyd's place.
Oh, that's a really nice bunch of leaves you have there.
Yeah, family, so we're there. And, you know, I know we're out. We just relax and chill.
See it. You said Jam Tours Africa, right?
Yeah,
Oh, that-
yeah, and YouTube.
It's on YouTube.
YouTube Jam Tours Africa. Yeah,
But you did.
it looks
You know
so.
it when you always
Good charge.
say peace and love.
Yeah, man, you have to have the slogan.
Slogan. The slogan, not the slogan.
Alright, I'm fast can. I'll do that one.
Alright, look.
Guys, slogan.
No, the slogan. The slogan.
Where's your slogan or slogan? Which one?
Slogan. Yeah, the slogan, but not the slogan.
Oh, him, really?
He fancies himself to be a
Yo,
DJ.
Al, slogan or iron balloon.
I have
No, you're not iron balloon. I'm more bust, we can't bust with the iron balloon. We just stay away from the music because other things are focused on. You're distracted.
Yo, the one that says slogan or iron balloon, fam.
No dear. One bust
Give me
next
something to show you, man, and see you can bust.
week. Yeah, alright now.
You know a long slogan, one bust and
Yeah,
can
I'm gonna
bust.
pay for my
We
content.
need to hear your mix. You said you're a DJ, we need to hear your mix.
Mix, right?
Yeah.
Go on YouTube and type in SLUGAN. Slogan.
Slogan.
Yeah.
Tell the people, them, slogan.
Go on YouTube and look and type in SLUGAN. Slogan or slogan music.
5 o'clock.
You gotta see my track. One track is called Distress.
Distress.
Yeah man. The
Yeah.
next track is called Crocodile Shark Teeth. Yeah man. The other track is called Right Mind.
That way.
Yeah.
Yeah man. So SLUGAN for slogan, not slogan.
Alright, cause me will thump up the boy face like Hulk Hogan.
That now work for you cause Gangster Attic program.
Yeah, family, so like, share, and comment on
What's
the
on
video.
up? Before you done, me hear them a talk. I call me name in a song like say, man love them and fear man. Kingston me born and grow the whole ocean set me every know me no fear one. Some man me hear a talk about it's a noise. Like them there with gear man. Man used to call up me name man. Potential kill, bust it, strain one. Me hear them a talk. Bubble, pan him tongue like a chicken gravy. You know, hear me the boy, your mama the Mary, Miss Lady. You know, see the boy freaky. Bust him at 99 if no maybe. If you go step on the boy, ends me no lazy. Try that drop a gun like Joan baby. Wheel it like a Mercedes. Me hear them attack. But them want pre me take 9 grand now wish like a black genie. Disappear just a sleeper with never see me. 4-4 Kelly body in give a beat. Wheel it, me na kill it relevant in a GP. Some man a full of girls not gonna be me. And the slogan.
Yo, and the slogan, and jump to
Yeah,
the open
man.
face like
The
Hulk
slogan.
Hogan.
Screw them cause of your name, this slogan. And if you come over, you not to know slogan.
A mad thing.
Yeah, family, like, share, and comment on the video, and check out slogan.
Crossbreed.
Yeah.
Crossbreed.
Alright.
You understand? If you know if you do the sign, the crossbreed sign.
Crossbreed and a ass breed.
And a horse breed. And a donkey a Ross breed. Well, crossbreed.
Yeah, man.
Bunch of family talented.
Yeah.
So the Africa show them.
Yeah, man.
Slogan.
Yeah, man. Jam Tours family. Like, share, and comment. We are out. One love. Ja bless.
God bless.
Jamaica. Yeah, we are out. Alright, family. Let's look at the well where this water come from. Let's go. Let's look inside and see.
Airline, I mean, what you call it? Them thing that-
It's deep,
Or
man.
I could have buy it online.
Yeah.
Put the bobo on.
Good yeah. Put the bobo on.
Everything good though.
That's spicy What's this?
Sunflower.
Oh, sunflower. Okay. That's how it grow.
Your mango seeds.
Oh, mangoes. Sunflower.
I don't know how you guys I think we've got about 4 or 5 varieties of mangoes. Have you tasted them?
Yeah, I got a lot of mangoes.
The apple mango, there is the coast mango, then we have the big one that comes.
Big one that, yeah.
Lots of mangoes, but you can only grow the ones that are stored.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, family, so we're there.
It can push for how deep, right? Pump how, yeah, that's what we normally calculate, so that we can already pump.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I was thinking right now. I don't know.
Yeah.
Where's the pump for this? You put it back
Oh, the
on
pump
there?
inside.
It's working now?
No, it's not working.
So you're going to take it back
But we
out?
can pull it out.
Yeah, because I want to know that when you pull it out, I want to know how big the size.
Yeah, family, so that's the well where this water come from. Tastes nice from nature, from God. So let's go. We're gonna actually go look at the greenhouse and then we'll come back and hit the road.